The sun is a big, warm circle in a bright blue sky. A happy wind is blowing on this very windy day. Mia, Leo, and Ben are sitting on the soft green grass. They are best friends. The wind blows Leo's hair. "Wow, it is a perfect day to fly a kite," he says with a big laugh. "But we don't have a kite," says Ben. Leo grins. "We can make a kite." "Yes, let's make a big, beautiful kite." Ben pulls colorful paper from his backpack. "Now we need sticks," says Leo. He finds 2 long sticks. Mia pulls out tape and scissors. They work together on the grass. Leo places the sticks in a cross shape while Mia carefully tapes them together. Mia cuts the paper into a diamond shape. Ben draws a big, happy, smiling face on the kite. Their big, beautiful kite is finished. "Now let's make it fly," shouts Leo, full of excitement. Leo runs as fast as he can across the open field. The wind catches the kite and it lifts into the air. "It's flying," they shout. But the kite wobbles, spins, and suddenly tumbles down, crashing onto the grass. "Oh no," says Ben sadly. Leo picks up the kite. "I ran so fast," he says quietly. "Why didn't it fly?" Mia is thinking. She looks at the birds flying. "I have an idea. The kite needs a tail, a long, long tail." Their sadness disappears. They work together again, tying colorful red, green, and yellow ribbons onto a long string. They fix the broken stick and attach the new tail. "Okay," Leo says, taking a deep breath. "Let's try again." Leo runs and the kite goes up. It does not wobble. It goes up, up, yoop! It flies high in the sky. "Hooray!" they all shout together, hugging each other. "We did it! It's flying!" Leo, Mia, and Ben take turns holding the string, watching their beautiful kite fly high above the park.